Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we have learned about document.write. So now in this video we're going to learn these four technique: inner text, inner HTML, outer HTML and text content. So first we see inner text and text content. They both allows to render output into any HTML container element that can display text content. Usually in HTML you use heading tag, paragraph and division to show the content, right? So that's a container and you put some text inside of it. So we can replace those content with the new content, okay, by using these two text. The both are similar, but text content is the newer function that introduced in latest JavaScript. So let's see how we can do that, okay? So open your VS Code and just set up your basic HTML, and let's take a paragraph and we write it click to delete, and we take a button, we give the delete button. Let's see in our browser, refresh. When I click on this delete button, I want to show some result, so I want to give some output. So how you can do that? You have to create an event when the button will be clicked. So you can give a event name on click, and when on click, what should happen is it should trigger a function, like some kind of action we want to perform. So we want to trigger a function, so I just need to give the function name like delete function. Now we have to create the function. So how you can do that? You have to write the script. So inside of the script tag, you declare the function by using function keyword, delete function, and now we can write the logic inside of this bracket. So document dot query selector. So we want to select this p tag, so you can access that by using query selector. If you did not see my previous video about query selector, please go and see that video so you know the concept. So now we can simply access this p tag, and now what we want to do is we want to access this inner body. All right, we want to replace that. We simply write inner text, and what we want to replace this with, we want a different text like record deleted. Okay, let's see. So now I'm clicking, you see the previous p tag content has been replaced with the new content, right? So only drawback of this thing is you cannot give any markup, meaning you cannot give any kind of style, bold, italic, color. You cannot do that. Let's try this. Like I want to give bold. Okay, let's see. You see, it will not accept any kind of markup, any style, nothing like that. So it's the same thing with the inner text content also. So both are same. So they not gonna accept any new kind of markup. They only accept the plain text. Okay. So as I have written also here, they will not allow rich text formats, and they can only display the plain text. Next, we can use inner HTML. It is similar to inner text and text content, but allow all rich formats with markup. So you can write your HTML, and you can give all kind of styles, color, whatever you want to do with it. So let's see. So I change this with inner HTML. Now this will come in bold. You see, now it is taking all kind of markup. So next we have outer HTML. It is similar to inner HTML but can replace the existing element with new element, meaning it will replace complete element of that HTML. Like it will replace heading, paragraph, whatever you have, like it will replace completely. So you can give new element, it will replace old element with the new one. So let's see how it work. We can simply change this with the outer HTML, or we can simply write italic, and inside of italic we can simply write italic tag, and let's see. So you see everything has changed. So because italic is a like inline text, so that's why it's both are coming in the same line. Let me refresh it. So if you want to see, we can inspect and we can see the our body tag, and inside of the body we don't have any kind of we have here what we have paragraph, right? But now we don't have that paragraph, it had replaced with the italic. So this is how you use this for a very important function in JavaScript. So next we're gonna learn about console method, and that we will see in the next video. So make sure if you still did not subscribe, please subscribe and help my channel. And if you have any question and concern, make sure you leave in the comment. I will reply right back. So in the next video, I will be loading, I think tomorrow. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. So I see you in the next video.